Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Spot YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So there is a general formula for any number to decimal conversion. So the formula is A0 if the digits are in the format A2, A1, A0 to the radix R, that is base R. This can be converted using A2, means the digit A2 into radix R2. So if the 2 is here, you should multiply with the digit R to the power or raised to the power of 2. Like this, if it is 1 here, you should multiply with R, that is base to the power of 1. So you won't get it now. I will solve using an example problem. So before this, so 0 to 9 we will write in number system as it is. After 9 we won't write it as 10. So we will write it as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, and 14 as E, and 15 as F. So this you should know. So B, what is the value of B? So this D is A0, A is A1, and B is A2 here. So what is the value of R here? R is 16. Okay. So they have given D. D is nothing but 13 into R to the power of 0. A0 into R to the power of 0. So what is the value of R? 16 to the power of 0. Plus what is the value of A? A is nothing but 10. This is A1 into, what is the value of R here? 16 raised to the power of 1, because it is A1, plus B is nothing but 11 into 16 square. This is A2 R2. So by solving this, we should multiply this and we should add everything what we get. We will get the final answer as 2989. So this is the value of the digit PAD in decimal format. So this was the problem where a point was not there. We will solve another example where we will get digit after the decimal point. So second problem, we have to convert 57.4, which is in hexadecimal to decimal. So how to convert this? So what is the value of 7 here? 7 into this is R is 16 to the power of 0, because the term is A7. So 5 into 16 to the power of how much? 1. Correct, because the term here is A1. So after point what we will write? That is very important, right? Before point you will multiply, that is before point, and the radix R, its power starts from 0 here. 0 to how much? The digit is there, that much. So if the digit is there after point, means we have to divide, that is after point we have to, after decimal point we have to divide by what? Divide by R to the power of -1. It starts from -1. We will call this is A1, this is A0 and this is A1, right? After point we won't start it as A0 again, we will start it as A to the power of -1. So we have to multiply with R to the power of -1. That is simply I have written divided by R power 1, or else you can multiply it by R to the power of -1, which is same here. So using this concept, we'll come back again. 57, I will write it cleanly here. Second problem, 57.4, here it is 16 hexadecimal. So 7 we have written 16 to the power of 0. plus 5 into 16 to the power of 1. After this, 4 into 16 to the power of how much? This term is a minus 1. If any digit is present after 4, this is minus 1, a to the power of minus 2. So we have to write it minus 1 here, 16 to the power of minus 1. 16 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 4 by 16. What 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. So 7 into 16 to the power of 0 is 7, plus 5 into 16 to the power of 1 is 80, plus the value of this is 0.25. So finally, by adding these three, we will get 87.25. This is the decimal value. This is the decimal value of the hexadecimal number 57.4.